Hey guys, welcome to the Pyforall channel. My name is Nicholas and in this video we will learn how to enable the script recorder in SAP. The use of the recorder is important to generate our Python code. And if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on content like this. With SAP open, we will click on the Customize Local Layout button. Access Options, Accessibility and Scripting folder. Click in Scripting. On the scripting screen, we must click on Enable Scripting. We must deselect the other options so that no notifications appear during the execution of the script. And finally click OK. We click again on the Customize Local Layout button. And if the script record and playback button is still disabled, we must log out of the system. Then we must log in into the system again. When logging back into SAP, we need to verify that script recording and playback has been enabled. If when logging in the system the registration and playback of the script is not yet activated, we will need to access the search bar and enter the transaction RZ11. Inside the search box, we need to type *GUI* script star. And then, we must click in Display button. For this case, we must access the second option by double-clicking. If in your system the current value is false, you must click on Modify, and change the value to True. After making changes, you must log out and re-enter the system so that script recording and playback should be active. In this lesson you learned how to enable GUI scripting in the SAP system. If you liked this content, leave your like and share with friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos. Thank you for watching.